my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell twice so you'll be notified to all my new videos. Please give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. Also, please share and comment down below. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I got some happy mail today, and I just wanted to share this. This beautiful card was sent to me, and this was sent to me by Miss Judy Parker. I will link her channel down below. I want to give a big shout out to her. Her YouTube channel is Judy Evans Parker. I'm sure a lot of y'all probably know her. She does a lot of prayers for people and arts and crafts and things like that. She holds usually a live prayer and a Bible study online. I think about once a week. I haven't had a chance to really watch her in a while, and you know, I really feel bad about that. I was really surprised when I got the card. So I just wanted to give her a shout out. And like I said, I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much, Judy, for this lovely card. That was really sweet. Inside it says, Tammy, I will praise you as long as I live, and in your name I will lift you up my hands. And it says, praying this card finds you safe and well. God bless. And it has her YouTube channel, Judy Evans Parker, inside. So I'm sure she didn't mind me sharing that. But again, Judy, just thank you so much for this. That means a great deal that you sent this to me. I don't get a lot of happy mail. And so that really does mean a lot when another YouTuber or a subscriber sends me just a simple little card like that. Lets me know that they care, that they're thinking about me, you know. So thank you very much for your prayers and your thoughts, and for this beautiful card that you made for me. So just wanted to let you know that I have been thinking of you, even though I haven't had a chance to see one of your episodes lately. I have popped in and out a few times, you know, when I've been doing something. But I'm sure you know how it is, trying to build up a business and a channel and everything. And then, as you know, with all the different health issues, it's just, I've been exhausted. So, but hopefully I'll get a chance to sit down and watch you again, you know, a full episode. But again, thank you so much for this. That does mean a lot. So again, I will be putting her link down below if you'd like to, if you don't know her and like to check her out. And remember to please subscribe to me and my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching for more videos. Also, please share and leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. See you again soon.